Hello everyone, my name is Keen Irvin Roy Susni. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree of physical education and sports in Lovely Professional University, Punjab. So today I'm going to teach you about shot put, the techniques of shot put and its dimensions. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you about the dimension of this shot put circle. So the diameter of this circle is 2.50 meter and the radius of this circle is 1.25 meter. Okay, so there are two lines made between the circle. So this is known as the indicator line. The dimension of this is 0.75 centimeter. The job of these two indicator lines is that after you finish to perform the shot put, so like you cannot move out from this indicator line. You have to move out behind this indicator line. Okay, so next we can talk about this the depth of this circle, which is also known as rim. So the dimension of this rim is 6 millimeter, which is 6 mm. And so we can see two lines out here. These two lines are known as the center. And from the center, we take 34.92 degree to measure these two lines. So the width of these two lines is 5 centimeter excluded. And so from center till the ending of these two lines, it is 40 meters. So there are two types of shot put techniques. The first one is the Perry O'Brien technique. The second one is the disco putt technique. Okay, so this is a shot. So basically the weight category for men is 7 kgs and the weight category for women is 4 kgs. So I will teach you how to grip a shot. It's pretty simple. You just need to keep your 3 fingers here. There should be 1 finger distance between your palm and the shot. So putting with these 3 fingers, and this ring finger should support this shot so that it does not slip from your hand. And so like when you perform, you just have to keep this shot near to your collarbone or BT bone, your neck tilted, and this hand should be fully 90 degrees. So there are 4 steps to perform this Perry O'Brien technique. The first one is to take the position, second is to make a modified T position, the third one is to drag your leg half of the circle so that you can get a better momentum, and the last one is to rotate your body and perform the throw. Okay, so first we have to come here and take your position. You have to grip your shot here near to your collarbone. This is known as the position. If you are a righty, then make sure your right leg comes first and your right hand. So the second is to make a modified T position. And so the third step is you just have to bend your knee, take your knee forward, and then try to exert first so you can cover maximum distance while dragging. Like this. This is the one. This is the modified T position. So soon, just after dragging, we have to just rotate our body and perform the throw. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope I have helped you to learn about the types of shot put techniques, its dimension, and to perform the Perry O'Brien technique. Thank you.